Hey everyone, welcome back to Sassier to Chance Digital. Today we're going to build something super fun, your very first calculator in Python. It can add, subtract, and multiply numbers, just like a real one. Don't worry, this lesson is super easy. We're going to learn 3 Python superpowers: input to ask questions, variables to store numbers, and if to choose the right operation. First, we use input to ask our calculator for 2 numbers. It's like having a conversation. Next, we save those numbers in variables. Think of them as little treasure chests for your numbers. Finally, we use if to decide which math to do. If we want to add, we follow the add path. That's it. You've built your first calculator. Follow for more fun coding adventures.